Hello, my name is Joy Lopez. Today I'm going to talk about the features about the International English Language Testing System, which is IELTS. This is for English exam subject at UNAT University. So let's start. The first question is, what is the main purpose of the exam? Well, this exam is designed to help people to boost the score and prepare for the success in the real world. This exam is respected and accepted worldwide, and this is for people who want to study or wants to work or for migration. This is the main purpose of the exam. I want to mention that this exam offers many resources. There is a wide variety of resources that you can take advantage from them, like learn about the test date, where you can find resources and you can find tips and you can find information to take the exam that day. Practice as well. There are many resources where you can find that you can find to practice about this exam. Attend an IELTS masterclass. This is a class that lasts 90 minutes. So a person who wants to take this nowadays, maybe due to the quarantine or this pandemic that is nowadays, a person maybe can take this online. I was checking it, and a person can take this master class online. It is 90 minutes, and you can maybe ask to an expert some additional information, or maybe you can find additional resources. Take the IELTS preparation course. Also, you can take a course. Well, here you have to pay, but maybe you will have a clear understanding of the exam. So I consider that is the main purpose. My next question is, what kind of people can take this exam? Well, I want to say that here anyone can take this exam. However, there are two kind of exams, which is IELTS academic, and on the other hand is IELTS general training. IELTS academic is for people who wants to study abroad, where English language is used, and IELTS general training is for people who wants to work, who wants to study high school, or who wants or who needs it for migration. Vocational training program as well. So general training is as well, as it says, more general. However, anyone can take these exams. It depends on what you need or what is required from you. Yes, I have to say that these exams, IELTS academic and IELTS general training, has the same listening and speaking test, so it means that there are no difference in listening and speaking in these both exams. However, in reading and writing, these exams are different, so you need to know this to take these exams. Just you need to understand that difference from these both is that the reading and writing is different. What is the main goal of the exam? Well, the main goal is to assess the abilities in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So this could be the main goal of this exam. Also, of course, it offers pretty good resources and materials and dates to take the exam or schedule. So this is the main goal, I consider. My next question is, what are the most significant characteristics of the exam. Well, over here I listed some of them. This is respected and accepted by more than 10,000 organizations in over 145 countries. IELTS score is valid valid for up to 2 years. IELTS can be done on computer or on paper. IELTS provides free online practice materials, as I said before. And also you can attend to the master class, which I consider is a plus, because you can, this is a free master class, you can take advantage of this. And here I added some extra information. For example, the results available on computer, they are from 5 to 7 days, and on paper it takes 13 days, so you need to consider that. Also, for example, the length of the test, it is the same. It has not difference. For example, yes, it's the same. There are no difference between two options, or computer or by paper. Well, the speaking in both cases. The speaking in both cases is face-to-face, so you need to meet a person, or you need to talk with a person. Okay. What skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? Well, the skills that are evaluated are reading, listening, speaking, and writing, and they are evaluated considering these. For example, here, reading and listening, each one of them has 40 questions, and each correct questions award one mark. That is the way in which they are evaluated. And writing and speaking, each has a criteria. Here, for example, task achievement and response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. This is the criteria of writing, and the criteria of speaking is fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. So these are the way in which this exam is evaluated. What scale is used to get the results? Well, the scale is from 1 to 9, where 1 is the lowest score and 9 is the highest score. Here is needed to say that reading, speaking, writing, and listening, they all has the average of the overall score. So this is the way. This is the scale. Would you add, sorry, so here I want to add some extra information, and this is that this exam also has into account the I forgot at the moment. Yes, the Common European Framework of Reference, which is from A1 to C2, so a person could get this score. Well, would you like would you take the exam, and why? Yeah, I should say that yes, I'm really interested in this exam. I know that it's not easy. I know people who has taken this exam, and it's a bit, I don't know, a bit difficult. We need to prepare. Maybe reading resources and reading many information, or just learning about a lot of vocabulary, a lot of grammatical resources, and speak fluency way. Well, but yes, I would like to take this exam in the future. And why? Well, because it is recognized worldwide and it offers a valid certification. Also, it is well, I can use the certification in many countries or many institutions or companies, so it is accepted in many organizations. Okay, well, that was all. Here in this is the reference, so here you can find additional information and you can find a deep understanding of this exam or clear information. Thank you.